Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. With this stylish, exquisitely modern and well appointed two-story home, you can enjoy the cool climate of Stony Hill and see the picturesque surrounding hills. Located in the upscale and residential community of Kingswood, this single family home comes with 6 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, 2 powder rooms, double car garage, and a balcony which is set on approximately half an acre that's nicely landscaped. This delightful architectural statement comes equipped with a customized staircase for easy movement between floor levels, an open living room vaulted up to the first floor level with a magnificent chandelier, and windows that energize the house and sunlight. From here, there is easy flow into an expansive space for entertainment to include theater room, game room, and wine bar. This dream home is adorned with tray ceilings, granite countertops in kitchen and bathrooms. Other features include a gym, swimming pool, tennis court, basketball court, and gazebo with barbecue area. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US $1,096,000 or Jamaican $168.6 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.